Winter storm 2018.
Yeah. The storm to end all storms.
The first major storm is on the way.
The Snowmageddon.
We have ice melt check. We have tire change check.
And we got a turbo 4-wheel drive Suburban.
I've got new straps for my tailgate check. I've got moss and chili
check.
Got a new set of running boards for this bad boy. Let's do throw these away. Throw them in the dumpster off a 90, 95, 96 Chevrolet. I was like, no. So we'll be putting them on this bitch once I get enough rust off it where they'll stay on. So, yep, it's a turbo bourbon, a snow bourbon,
skull bourbon.
She's a bourbon all around this time.
That's it.
Snow's on the way.
Yeah.
Out in the rain. They got the damn World News up there in the middle of Asheville filming coming in here. So you know if they bring a World News in here, there's bad shit coming out.
Nah, I don't think so. I think it's a bunch of hoo-ha.
21.5 inches of snow.
No, it won't be. There's no way.
Women's hoping for 8 to 10. Of course, they hope that all the time.
8 to 10.
What's the end of You're going to take your tent down, we don't trust it.
Yeah, at least take the tarp part off, the tent part.
Whatever's the easiest way to do it. Whatever's fine. That'll be fun. Take a little generator with it.
Well, we are officially off in the Suburban to go. We don't know, but we're just riding around. Cold back here. And so far, Suburban's doing just like it always did.
Oh, nice on this ship.
Yeah. Well, that's two-wheel drive, so things get bad, we're going for it. Got a tree fell there. Yeah.
Street supremacy. Now where's all their shiny motherfucking trucks?
I think there's a couple up there. Yeah, there's one turning.
There's one. Well, ain't out here blowing black smoke this morning, are you? No. There's a few more. Look like they didn't half-ass scrape the damn road.
They're down there scraping now. I don't know, we're just riding around. We're gonna see if we can find somewhere to get stuck. Yeah, it's how you figure out if the Suburban will go or not. Put it somewhere where it wouldn't normally come out of.
Yeah. If we can't get out of it, how we gonna get out?
We got legs, we can walk. And there's chains in the back. I don't know, I can't see it.
Where's the turf down there?
Oh yeah. I think this right here is the road. I think you're going over towards the curb over there.
Wiper sucks. Where's the turf right here?
Oh yeah, it is. That's the only downside of this is you don't know where the road is. So you can't very well come flying up and down through here. It curves a little bit, see. This is where we went that one time when we was trying to get stuck.
We go the same route.
And that's where my Olympic hillfall snowboard. Yeah, it's right here off this.
We need us a damn raft that way I can pull you around and stuff.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, damn, ain't the road. Maybe that's the road?
No, it's not a road.
Where's the fucking road?
Just look. See where they're rolled up?
Yeah, this shit damn goddamn ice up under it, it just packed it in. Thought it was like snow laying on top of ice. Nobody been down here?
No.
Down here's where he did fucking curve that time.
Yeah, when he was trying to do a donut second gear and not four-wheel drive.
So nice.
We got stuck. I gotta lock them. Oh, come on. Ridiculous. It would not move at all. So definitely turbo motor's much better. Put the wiper back on so I can see. Dude, this thing will go anywhere. It would not even move. And then four-wheel drive. Watch out for that, it'll fling snow all over you. Now just let it keep going. Yeah, it's spinning too.
Amazing.
Yeah, I can't believe that. And that's four-wheel high. That ain't even low. Try to stay over this way. Remember, you run off of. I cannot believe the difference four-wheel drive made. Just flew out of there.
Slick as shit.
Yeah. It's never not been able to make it in two-wheel.
No, it's always come out there two-wheel. It's been, we ain't never been out on the ice. It's always like that packed snow. So you get that ice on there, so I was telling you when it rains, it gets that ice under. Slicker, man.
Effortlessly. Yeah. All right, so once again, we wait till big snowstorm to change the windshield wipers, and they still squeak.
They ain't a sled sight neither.
No.
You gonna get us? We need us a damn raft to behind this thing and drag them around, but it's like getting the damn rain and sleet shit now. It's nasty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check on Mom, see how she is. It ain't but 10 o'clock. These days it's slow with this shit. Like, yeah. It's all been forward. How's it?
He's plowing the road for us.
Out following this salt truck right in case he gets stuck, we pull him out. Everybody's walking, man.
Yeah. You know what that's like, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
We went to Walmart and got a priority.
Yeah.
Snickers.
Look what we go by. We got windshield wipers and candy.
Yeah.
Major snow disaster. We go get candy.
This ain't no snow disaster. Like I said, the media bigs it up to cause everybody to panic and buy up everything.
Yeah. There ain't no bread. That Walmart, there ain't no bread. There ain't no milk or nothing over there.
Yeah. What is it with bread and milk? Are you making milk sandwiches?
Well, Jess said last night, he said everybody starts getting slick, everybody will go in, you can go shop. We can shop fine today, but I wouldn't have got my 2 gallons of milk like I got last night at the big store.
Yep.
2 gallons.
Everywhere you go in Asheville anymore, there's thousands of people everywhere.
It's the same, he just bitch complain. These people like that everywhere.
No, there's people everywhere. You can't do anything anymore without running into like tons of people. So this right here thins the herd out and makes it to where I'm happy again.
He's still a hater though.
I'm not a hater. I'm just tired of so many people.
He's not social.
It's like living in a big city.
Just ain't social.
I'm very social. The people I want to talk to.
That's what we need. One of them slinger things on like this. I mean, what if we could build us a fishing place?
Of course we could. Gary Fox could tell you how.
Help me!
Chad.
You gotta heat this shit.
The Suburban? No, you don't.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
That's what you do on snowboards.
That's surfing. He's waxing up a surfboard.
I got my surfboard
We
out,
don't
bro.
got a snowboard, so we're
No,
gonna
we
use a
couldn't
surfboard.
find a sled nowhere, so we went out there in the building and got this damn cool ass fucking real damn surfboard. So we're gonna bust a new wave fucking thing. I got the wax, busting out the
We
wave,
took it to drill.
waxed it up.
All right, we are ratchet strapping the surfboard to the roof of the Suburban.
You want to put it back, you can't come in like that. You true Brody dude, come in on the top.
Now,
That's all we got, hell. Yeah. We got nothing else to ride, so.
that's what we're doing. We used to have a snowboard, couldn't find it. That was too little anyway, so we dug out a surfboard.
Why? This shit right here, this shit's better than 5 motherfuckers. You fall this shit here or like a damn snowbird.
Yeah, so we'll do back here in a minute.
It's crazy as hell, but who else has got a turbo Suburban with a surfboard on top of it going to slide with you 3 boys right now? Nobody.
Yeah, nobody.
Nobody doing it.
Animal balls. Oh, we're gonna have to cut the things off of it.
Oh. Isn't the fin supposed to be on the other side?
No, same steering.
Thing ain't going.
Oh, hell yeah.
I don't know. You're too far up.
Get back, Jeff. Get back, Jeff. Oh. We'll have a good run.
It's exciting right here. You slow down, you don't want to go too fast.
The fins are dragging the ground.
That's what I told
I
him.
brought a saw. Let's cut them off.
We don't have a saw, we can knock them off on the hammer.
I brought a saw. We can cut them off.
I told you, dummies, the fin was screwing it up 5 minutes. He's garbage. I could have gone further than that.
You cut the fucking fins off of us.
All right, so we cut the fins off because
They don't got no steering.
fins suck.
That's a bobsled.
Mm-hmm.
Let's all 3 or 4 us get that motherfucker and take off down through. There you go, yeah, combo.
Right in my track.
Get it, son.
Check out the airplane in the distance. Majestic.
Hell, he beat you, Mark. He's gone on down. He's going plumb to the bottom.
He started further.
He's going to the bottom. Damn. Yeah, give me my damn space age gloves. Let me get my gloves out here.
What do you need gloves for?
I'm gonna be hauling it.
So?
Oh, you probably.
He ain't standing on it. There's no way.
No.
Get towards the back. Get.
Shut up.
Ready? Ready?
That's coming down. Well, how did you feel about your first pass in the snowmobile?
It felt pretty good. First time I've been on a sled since I was probably 15 with Lawrence out there in the fucking field. It's all good. I made my damn pass, so I ain't scared of motherfucker.
All right, next we all just got to pile on and go.
Yeah, let's do a 4 deep with 2 cameras.
Yep.
All right,
Cole. It's the cord. That's all you got to do right there.
Right. Wilson, 4 deep.
Yeah, Skull Garage Bobsled Team.
Skull Garage Bobsled Team, U.S. Nationals.
2018.
2018.
How's that one for your legs off?
We're all going to balls to ass.
Is it recording?
Oh yeah, that'll be good. Just hold it just like that. All right,
no matter how bad the crash, don't put the camera in the snow. Look at these gloves. Total badass. Oh god, shit! I ain't got much wood back here. No.
God, Justin's fruit basket's right on. Better lean back. Keep it on.
I missed the fucking.
Are you on it? I'm on it. Keep it on.
I missed the fucking.
Are you on it?
I'm on it.
We get hurt as a family together.
Ready?
Woo! Hold on. We get hurt as a family together.
Ready? Woo! You ready?
Hold on, hold on. I guess let's see if we can bounce.
Crap!
3 foot.
What happened?
We're in the dirt. Casey,
Who drug his damn feet?
somebody kicked their feet
Somebody
over.
drug their feet.
Okay, listen. We can start from here. Just
I can't. I'm underneath the board.
Huh? You what?
My leg's underneath.
Oh,
It runned over him.
yeah.
Casey freaking put his feet on top of me.
Because I was gonna drag him in the snow. I couldn't help it. Ready?
No.
Does everybody get realigned?
Get that cord and lean back.
Get realigned.
I feel like that's something.
What the hell?
Stacks to back.
Lay back. Hell yeah.
We just took a foot of snow.
Pick your feet up. Lay back. Hell yeah. God damn it. Shall we go on down?
We can't.
Call it.
Another 100 foot. We got another 100 foot in.
Yeah, we don't got 100 foot in us.
God. Y'all uncoordinated as hell. I had that shit down. I scared the hell out of it. Look where I lost it.
Look how much we took.
No, leave it. Here's a jump.
Oh, that's what we need to jump.
Here.
Take the board and pat it down.
Casey, give me the board.
Yeah, pat it down and make a jump. Perfect. Now. What?
Careful,
He destroyed the ramp.
No, it's good.
Here's me.
Yeah, just fill in that little hole right there.
Get right in the side, Casey. Step over right in the middle.
On the side of it.
Awful Canawful. Junior.
No, Casey. Come on. Move.
Keep your feet up. Line it up. Keep your line. Keep your line. You missed the ramp. You missed the damn ramp. Lean back. Yes. There you got it. Now you get it. Now I ain't holding that. Oh, there's a jump. Went right past it. There's a jump. I see some air. He totally lost it. I got it.
He should have got further back.
Oh. Yeah! Hell yeah! Throw that shit out of me.
Dad wanted me to do it. I told him I ain't do it. I'm way too fat. I'll break something. I got to draw the line.
Fucker, man. It's a jump. Hell.
Yeah, it's a jump. There's concrete underneath of.
It's asphalt.
Yeah.
They call it asphalt. Got snow cream up my ass that first time you run.
I watched him hit just now, and he exploded when he landed.
Getting it when he come off there. He cleared it good though. He stayed with the board. He didn't lose control. He didn't get excited.
Hey.
He rode it out.
Is Casey gonna do it?
Out it comes. Lean back. Get some speed. Don't drag your damn feet. Get some speed. Pick your feet up. Here it comes. It jumps. Oh, and he hit the ramp.
He destroyed it.
The ramp. He busted the ramp. He's supposed to come in sideways.
Because your feet was off.
I was trying to aim it.
You're supposed to we're tempting fate right here. Justin is risking it all.
How do I turn it on?
Oh, you don't gotta worry about that one. That don't need
Justin's risking it all, hoping that Colton will clear him. This is your brother down here. We spent many hours testing this.
Come over this way.
According to our calculations.
Come over this way, Sergeant.
According to our calculations.
If you hit me, it's my own fault.
And the way the wind goes, if it goes toward his head, I'm gonna stop you. I'm gonna stand right here so you don't hit him inside the
hit
head.
me in the head. Get over there so you get a good shot.
Well, I know, but if it does go to club him,
hit me. It's fine.
put your arms over you. Put your head down.
Don't set your head.
Put your head down. Now, there you go.
Put your
arms over your head.
Yeah.
Now you're looking. Now this is how we do it. Clear.
Just put your arms over your head.
Here he comes. Steady, steady,
Arms over
steady.
the head. Come on.
Get your head down, son. Get your head down. He's running 75. Get your head down. Oh, yeah, he cleared him. Woo, Justin's safe. Ah, and he's still on the board. Oh, yeah. He rode it out. He went down, but he cleared his road. His brother's safe. Justin's A-OK.
I knew you had 100% control. I never doubted you. God, that thing went way out there.
He was getting it. That's a good jump right there. You cleared him way down here.
Getting my tailbone broke.
You hit like right there.
It won't break if you slow
Dude,
down.
I'm way heavier than him.
Slow down a little bit.
How was it? How did it feel to clear your brother?
It's good. I feel like I got it pretty good.
What was your tactic?
Years of experience.
Yeah.
How long have you practiced that Justin jump?
About 27 years. 25, so.
27 seconds, I mean,
We all witnessed it. We're already getting calls from people that ain't never seen no such shit.
That's Monster Energy.
Yeah, sponsor Monster.
Here, Justin.
Oh, God, that's good. That cleared me by a mile. I could have laid that way. You could have got me.
He didn't go toward his head. He went more for his ass.
Following me.
Well, it's a damn fan seen us over here riding.
Hold that.
Oh, shit.
I ain't
I
got
love her money.
minutes of video.
He's having his dick or the phone with you.
Trying to grab my phone.
That's his pee-pee. Get it, Colton.
Dear.
It's getting seasoned now. That board's getting seasoned in. It's getting down to the temperature. The air's right. The freeze is coming. The thaw is stopped. All conditions are A1 for this.
That ramp, just don't go as far as you did.
Yeah, Justin, you know you want to jump that ramp. There you go. Oh, he's staying with it. Ride that thing, son. Stay in the groove. Shit, he went farther than anybody.
He started right here.
Oh, I guess it is. Justin by a fender.
He's riding it out.
Ride it out, Casey. Look at him, he can't help but have fun.
Anyway, yeah, that's a wrap on our 2018 winter adventure snowstorm.